Abacus Maths classes. I am your Abacus teacher, Ms. Garima Singh. So students, our today's video topic is multiplication of a 3-digit number by 6, 7, 8 and 9 by using Abacus Tool. Now students, in my previous video, I have told you how you will multiply a 3-digit number by 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, in my previous video we have learned how to multiply a 3-digit number by 2, 3, 4 and 5 by using this tool. Now today we will learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by 6, 7, 8 and 9. You can see that your topic is written above also. So let's start our today's topic with the first sum. But students, before starting the first sum, you can see that in front of you I have put one Abacus tool. You are quite familiar with this Abacus tool, kids. As you know that we do the calculation in 1, 2, 3 and 4 rods because it is a 3-digit multiplication. So we will use ones, tens, 100 and 1000 rod. Yes, we will use 4 rods in this multiplication. So let's start, kids, with the first sum. Now kids, your first sum is 256 multiplied by 6. Now as you can see that with this sum I have also written the big friends and small friends addition formulas. Students, you are quite familiar with these formulas. These formulas I have make you write in your Abacus notebook also. Yes, I have told you in my previous videos to write these formulas in your notebook, and I hope, kids, that you have written these formulas in your Abacus notebooks. Very nice. Now you can see that these are the friends I have written here. This is big friends and this is small friends. In big friends, you know that 1 is the friend of 9, 2 is the friend of 8, 3 is the friend of 7, 4 is the friend of 6 and 5 is the friend of 5. Same way, in small friends, the friends change. 1 is the friend of 4 and 2 is the friend of 3. Students, you have to learn these friends so that you can apply these friends in the sums. Now students, let's start the sum. Now, firstly, we will multiply the first digit with 6. Now 2 into 6. Now 6 2s are 12. Now I think you remember the pattern, kids. Your pattern is 1000, 100, then 100 repeating, then tens, then 10 repeating once. Now this is your pattern. I hope, kids, that you remember this pattern. In my last video also, we have done the sums related to this pattern only or with the help of this pattern only. So 6 2s are 12. Now according to the pattern, our first digit will go in thousands rod and the second will go in hundreds rod. Now today the tool is there. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 beads are there in this tool. So you will start your calculation from this thousands rod. See, units rod, tens rod, hundreds rod, thousand rod. Now first of all you will put this 1 in thousands rod. See, 1 means 1 bead up. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 1 I have put in 1000 means 1 bead up. Now next 2 you have to put in hundreds rod. 2 means 1, 2. See, thousands rod 1, hundreds rod 2 and this is completed. Now next multiply your next digit with 6. 5 into 6. Now you can do 5 6s also or 6 5s also. 6 5s are 30. Now according to the second pattern, the first digit will go in hundreds rod and the second will go in tens rod. So let's put this number. Now 3 will go in hundreds now. Now you can see kids that in 100 rod only 1, 2 bead is there. So how you will add 3? Now I have always told you that whenever you get lack of beads means you have to add any number but the bead is not there. So what you will do? You will take the help of small friends. Yes, first of all you will take the help of small friends. But if you can't apply small friends, then you take the help of big friends. Now first of all we will apply the small friend for this. Now for adding 3, the first number which you will add is 5. Very good. See there, for adding 3 plus 5. Now subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 3? In small friends, 3 is the friend of 2. Subtract 2. Plus 5 minus 2. See, plus 3 is equals to plus 5 minus 2. I have written the small friend there also. So you have to apply this in this hundreds rod for adding 3. Now first of all add 5 in hundreds. See, this is hundreds rod, so add 5. And then minus 2. See, 1, 2. So we have subtracted 2 and your 3 is added by applying this small friends. Now 0 means nothing. Now we will move to the last. Now multiply the 6 with 6. Now 6 6 are 36. Now first digit will go in tens rod and the second will go in ones rod. Now you have to add 3 in tens rod. See 3, see this 1000, 100, tens. So 1, 2, 3 in tens rod. This is done. Now 6 and 1, 6 means 5, 6. 5, 6. Now count. See, first of all in thousands rod. See, it is only 1. Now in 100, 5. Now in tens, 1, 2, 3. And in ones, 5, 6. So your answer is 1536. See kids, how easily we have done this sum with the help of this tool. I have written these calculations. You can do this multiplication in your mind also. Directly you can add the numbers in the tool. So now kids, let's move to the second sum. Now kids, your second sum is 232 multiplied by 6. Now first of all set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Fine kids? Very nice. I hope kids that you are doing the sums with me. Yes, I have told you many a times the best way to learn abacus is just play my video, put the tool in front of you and do with me. Yes. Now first of all multiply the first digit with 6. Now 2 into 6. Now 6 2s are 12. Now according to pattern, you know that your first digit will go in thousands rod and second digit will go in hundreds rod. So let's add 1 in 1000. See 1 in 1000 and 2 in 100. See 1, 2 in 100. Done. 1 in 1000, 2 in 100. See 1000. 100, tens, ones, or you can say ones, tens, 100, 1000. So this is done. Now next multiply this 3 with 6. So 3 into 6. Now 6 3s are 18. Now as you know that according to pattern this will go in hundreds rod and this will go in tens rod. Now 1 in 100. So this is hundreds rod, so 1. Normally I have added, no need to use the friends when the bead is there. Now in tens rod 8. See 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 in tens rod. So this is done. Now the last is multiply 2 with 6. 6 2s 2s are 12. Now according to pattern, this will go in 10, this will go in 1 slot. Now 1 in 10 slot. See 1, see it is there. And 2 in 1 slot. See 1, 2. Now count. See, there is no lack of beads, so we have not used any small friend or big friend formula. Now 1 in 1000 slot. 1, 2, 3 in 100 slot. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in 10 slot. And the last 2 in 1 slot. So 1392 is your answer. I hope kids that you get this sum. Now we will move to the next sum, which is multiplication by 7. See, two sums we have done with the multiplication by 6. Now we will move to multiplication by 7. Now your third sum get 3, 6, 9 multiplied by 7. Now as you know, set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Yes, set. Now first of all multiply the first digit with 7. Now 3 into 7. Now 7 3s are 21. Now first digit will go in 1000 slot and the second will go in 100 slot. So let's add. Now 2 in 1000. See 1, 2 in 1000 slot. Then 1 in 100. 1 in 100 and this is done. Now multiply the next digit with 7. 6 into 7. 7 35, 7 6 are 42. Now according to pattern, the first digit will go in 100 slot and the second will go in 10 slot. Now 4 you have to add in 100 slot. See this 100 slot, 1, 2, 3 beads are there. Only 3 beads are there and you have to add 4. Now lack of beads. So for lack of beads you have to use the small friend formula. Now for adding 4, what is the formula there? See, plus 5 minus 1. See there, for adding 4. For adding 4, plus 5 minus 1. So plus 5 minus 1. Now for this 4, apply this formula. Now you have to add 4 in 100 slot. So apply the formula in 100 slot only. This one. Plus 5 minus 1. Plus 5 minus 1. And your 4 is added. Nothing you have to do now. Now add 2 in 10 slot. See 1, 2. Done. Now this is added. Now the last, multiply this 9 with 7. Now 7 9s are 63. Now according to pattern, this will go in 10, this will go in 1s. Now first of all add 6 in 10 slot. Now 6, see here in 10 slot, 5, 6. 5 from up and 1 from down. 5, 6. And then add 3 in 1 slot. See 1, 2, 3 in 1 slot. And your sum is completed. Yes. Now count the beads. Now in 1000 slot you can see 2 beads are there. In this 100 slot 5. In this 10 slot 5, 6, 7, 8. And in 1 slot see 1, 2, 3. And this is your answer. 2583. I hope kids you are getting these sums. Now we will move to the next sum of multiplication by 7. Students, please watch the video till last because we will do the sums of multiplication by 6, 7, 8 and 9. This time we are doing the sums of multiplication by 7. Afterwards we will do the multiplication by 8 and 9 also. So students, stay tuned with the video and watch the video till last. So we will move to our next sum now. Now your next sum gets 2, 3, 4 into 7. Now set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beats down. Again I am repeating kids, this is units rod or you can say ones rod, this is tens rod, this is hundreds rod and this is thousands rod. In these 4 rods you do your calculation. See, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and you start your calculation from thousands rod. Now first of all multiply the first digit with 7. Now 2 into 7. 7 2s are 40. According to pattern, this will go in thousands rod and this will go in hundreds rod. Now first of all add 1 in thousands rod. See 1 added. Now 4 in hundreds rod. See 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 beats up. And this is done. Now next multiply 3 with 7. 7 3s are 21. According to pattern, this will go in hundreds and tens. So 110. Now 2 in hundreds rod. Now you can see kids that see 1000 and this 100. Now you can see kids 4 I have already added. So how you will add 2 now? So when you have lack of beats, then you will take the help of small friends. Now for adding 2. What is the formula there? See, plus 5. For adding 2, plus 5 minus 3. So plus 5 minus 3. It's a small friend formula. You can make this formula kids by your own. How? See, for adding any number in small friends, the first number which you will add is 5. And you will subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 2? See there small friends. The friend of 2 is 3. So you will subtract 3. This way you can make these formulas by yourself by only learning these big friends and small friends. Now for adding 2 you will use this formula. Now first of all add 5. Add 5 in hundreds. 100. So add 5. Now minus 3. See 1, 2, 3. I have added 5. Then I have subtracted 3 and this is done. 2 is added. Now add 1 in tens rod. 1 in tens rod. Now multiply 4 with 7. 7 4s are 28. Now you can see kids that according to pattern this will go in tens and this will go in ones. Now first of all add 2 in tens rod. See 1, 2. Then add 8 in ones rod. See 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count. This is completed. Now see in thousands rod there is 1. In hundreds rod there is 5, 6. In this tens rod there is 1, 2, 3. And in ones rod you can see 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your answer is 1638. I hope kids you get this sum. Before starting the new sum, set your abacus, upper beats up, lower beats down. Now we will move to the next sum, which is multiplication by 8. 3, 6, 4 multiply by 8. Now multiply the first digit with 8 first of all. Now kids, we can do like this also, that we will multiply each digit with 8 first of all, then we will add it in the tool. Is it fine? Very nice. Now 8 3s are 24. Now we will multiply the second digit with 8. 6 into 8. Now 6 8s are 48. Now we will multiply the last digit with 8. 4 8s are 32. Now put these numbers in the tool. Now first of all write the pattern. See, the first number will go in 1000, then 100. then 100 tens, and the last is tens ones. Now let's start adding. First of all, add 2 in thousands round. 2 means 1, 2. Now add 4 in 100. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is completed. Nothing you have to do now, kids. Now next you have to add 4 in hundreds round. Now you can see, kids, that 4 is already added. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this, use the small friend. Now what is the small friend for adding 4? See here, for adding 4 it's plus 5 minus 1. Means the first number which you will add is 5 and then you will subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 4? 1. See kids, moreover we are using the small friends only. When we can't apply small friends, then we will take the help of big friends. Now for adding 4, in hundreds rod, first of all add 5. 5 in hundreds rod. And then minus 1. And your 4 is added. Now add 8 in tens rod. 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Now this is completed. Now add 3 in tens rod. See, this is tens rod and this is only one bead is left out. See, only one bead is there, so how can you add 3? Now again go for the small friend. For adding 3, in the previous sum only we have done this. First of all you will add 5 and then you will subtract the friend which is 2. Plus 5 minus 2, see, plus 5 minus 2. Now first of all add 5 in tens. Now you can see kids, yeah, this time we can't apply the small friend. See, you have to add 3 in tens rod. This is tens rod, you have to add 3, only one bead is left out, you can't add 3. So you have taken the help of small friend. Now in small friend, the first number which you will add is 5. Now for adding 5, see 5 is already added. You can clearly see kids, in this tens rod, 5 is already added. So how you will add 5 again? This means you can't apply the small friend formula in this 3. So you will now use the big friend formula. Now for adding 3 in big friend formula it is plus 10 minus 7. You can see here, for adding 3 it is plus 10 minus 7. So for adding 3 it is plus 10 minus 7. So let's apply this formula. Kids, in my previous videos also in class 3rd and 4th, you have learned that at the time of adding 10, you add 10 in one rod up. So you have to add 3 in tens rod. So you will add 10 in hundreds rod, means one rod up. See here, 10 in hundreds rod. 10 I have added in hundreds rod. Now minus 7 from the same rod. Now minus 7, 5 back to its place, then 6, then 7 in tens rod I have done. And this is added. Now add 2 in ones rod. 1, 2. And now count. See, 2 in thousands rod. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in hundreds rod. 1 in tens rod and 2 in units rod. And this is your answer, 2912. I hope kids you get this sum. Now we will move to our next sum. Now kids, we will move to our next sum, which is 433 multiplied by 8. Now before starting this sum, set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now as you know, multiply the first digit with 8. Now 4 into 8. 8 4s are 32. Now your first digit will go in thousands rod and second will go in hundreds rod according to the pattern. Now 3 will go in thousand. See, 1, 2, 3. 1000 then added. Now 2 in hundred. Now students, I think you Now this we have added. Done. Now next multiply the next digit with 8. 3 into 8. Now 8 3s are 24. Now according to pattern, this will go in hundreds rod and this will go in tens rod. Now add 2 in hundreds rod. See, 2 means 1, 2 in hundreds rod. And 4 in tens. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 in tens rod. And this is done. Now last, multiply this 3 with 8. 8 3s are 24. Now the first number will go in tens and second will go in ones rod. Now you have to add 2 in tens rod. See, 2 you can't add as the bead is not there. So again take the help of small friends. For adding 2, the first number which you will add is 5 and then you have to subtract 3. Now, for adding 2 in tens rod, the first number which you will add is 5. See, tens rod is, see 5 is not added, 5 you can add. This means that we can apply this small friend. So add 5 in tens rod. And minus 3. See, 1, 2, 3. I have added 5 minus 3. And this 2 is added, nothing we have to do. Now add 4 in ones rod. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And your sum is completed. Now count. See, 1, 2, 3 in thousands rod. 1, 2, 3, 4 in hundreds rod. 5, 6 in tens rod. And 1, 2, 3, 4 in units rod. And your answer is 3464. Now kids, we will do multiplication by 9 and it will be the last part of this video. So let's move to the 3-digit multiplication by 9. Now kids, we will move to the 7th sum, which is 267 multiplied by 9. Now as you know, multiply the first digit with 9. 2 into 9. 9 2s are 18. Your first number will go in thousands rod and the second will go in hundreds rod. So let's add 1 in thousand. See, 1. And 8 in hundred. See, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 8. And it is done. Now multiply the next digit with 9. Now 6 into 9. Now 9 6 are 54. Just learn the table kids. The table should be in your fingertips. Now according to pattern, this will go in hundreds rod and this will go in tens rod. Now add 5 in hundreds rod. Now you can see that 5 is already added. And for adding 5, there is no small friend formula. So you will take the help of big friend formula. Plus 10 minus 5. So let's apply. See, 5 you will add in hundreds rod. So plus 10 you will do in thousands rod, means 1 rod up. So 1 will up, plus 10. Now minus 5. Minus 5 from the same rod, that is hundreds rod. Minus 5. 5 I put up. And your 5 is added. Now add 4 in tens rod. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 in tens rod. And this is complete. Now multiply the last digit with 9. 7 9s are 63. Now this will go in tens and this will go in ones. Now 6 added tens rod. 6 means, see, 5 you can add, but see 1 is not there. So how you will add 6? Now again lack of beads and lack of beads of adding 6. Now there is no formula for 6 in small friends. So you will go for the big friends. Now for adding 10 minus 6 is the friend of 4. So minus 4. Or you can see there also for plus 6 plus 10 minus 4 I have written the big friend formula. Now First of all, do plus 10. Now plus 10, you have to add 6 in tens rod. So plus 10 you will do in hundreds rod. Means one rod up. And then minus 4 you will do from the tens rod only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then add 3 in ones rod. See 1, 2, 3. And your sum is completed. Now count. See 2 in thousands rod. 4 in hundreds rod. Nothing means 0. Don't skip the rod. If nothing is there, you have to write 0 in that place. And then 3. So your answer is 2403. Now kids, we will move to the last sum, and our last sum will be orally. Yes, we will do our last sum orally without writing any of these calculations. Yes. Now your 8th sum is 654 multiplied by 9. Now set your abacus, lower beads down, upper beads up. Now we will do this sum orally, and students, you have to do the sums orally only. I was writing those calculations so that I can explain you. You have to do the sum like this orally. Now 9 6 first of all you have to multiply the first digit with 9. So 9 6 54. Now 5 in thousands rod and 1, 2, 3, 4 in hundreds rod. Because you start your calculation from thousands rod. So 5 and 4, 9 6 54. Now next 5. 9 5 45. Now 45, 4 will go in hundreds rod. 45, 4 will go in hundreds rod and 5 will go in tens rod. Now you can see here that 4 is already added. So what you will do, you will apply the small fret. For adding 4, what is the small fret? Plus 5 minus 1. So do plus 5 minus 1 in hundreds rod. Plus 5 minus 1. Now add 5 in tens rod. 5. Now 9 4s are 36. 36, 3 in tens rod and 6 in units rod. Students, this needs practice. Yes, doing the sum orally without writing any calculation, it needs practice. If you will practice the sums given by me, you can do all the sums orally in this tool. Now this is your answer. Now count. See 5 in thousands rod, 5 6 7 8 in hundreds rod, 5 6 7 8 again in tens rod and 5 6 in units rod, and this is your answer. 5886. I hope kids that you get the today's topic, multiplication of 3-digit number by 6, 7, 8 and 9. With this video kids, I have given you a practice PDF. Do that practice PDF in your Abacus notebook and complete all your pending work kids. Try to do the sums orally in this tool. Practice the sums slowly. You can add or you can multiply the sums directly in the tool. So kids, this was for today. Make sure kids watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more concepts. And one more thing is there. Please learn these small friends and big friend formulas and these friends.